me again, Christine, and today I feel so under the weather, but something came up and I'm very excited to open it. So let's unbox another box that just arrived today. It's a mystery box and I have no idea what it contains whatsoever. Buksan natin. Hopefully it's gonna be a good one. By the way, this box is from Fresh. Maliit lang yung area natin, so please bear with me. Yes, let's open it. Let's open it. Boxes always really catch my attention. Ah, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Super nice. Look at that. Can you already tell what this is? Oh my goodness. Okay, so there are a lot of products dito sa box na to. Ang dami nila, guys. Sobra. So, iisa-isahin natin sila and I'm going to show you each one of them. Huwag kayong mag-alala. I know you love unboxing videos like this. So, we're gonna start with Fresh Alcosprays, which are 70% ethyl alcohol solution. And best of all, itong mga Alcosprays na to, they have aloe vera moisturizing ingredient. They soothe your skin after you spray, unlike any other rubbing alcohols out there, which is, by the way, one of my biggest problems kasi ayoko talaga yung mga alcohol na nakakadry ng skin, and mostly yun yung makikita nyo, especially sa mga stores ngayon. But this one is different. The Cosmic Wonder, which is this one. Tapos meron din sila nitong Supernova in yellow, with very cute packaging, by the way, and very convenient to use dahil sa kanyang spray design. And meron pa siyang ganito para, you know, you can put it anywhere you want. And then this orange one is in Starburst. And ang laki nito, guys, 500 ml. This one is Interstellar. And this is really big and super cute. So iba-iba yung smell niya, guys. That's why it has a different name and different color for each one of them. And then the next products are these 3 packs na akala ko at first they were like snacks or something. Atin yung parating butong. But anyways, these are soothing gel lotions in such cute packs. Check this out. Nako-confuse ako kung alin dito yung gagamitin ko for my fresh time today, but let's just pick later. So, unang-una, the very popular JEJU ALOE Ice. This has Theracol Complex, Niacinamide, and Centella Asiatica. When it comes to lightening up your skin or, you know, evening your skin tone, especially the face, you can use this one because it's really good at doing that. And if you're the type of person who wants a matte looking skin, healthy looking skin, if you have problem with excess oil, ito yung gel solution for you. Green tea and cucumber soothing gel lotion, which also has Theraclear Complex, salicylic, and zinc. If you guys want a more youthful glow, yung nakaka-feeling young ang look nyo, you should go for this one, which is the Watermelon Youthful Bliss. And last but not least, this one I'm super duper excited about because it's my personal favorite. And this time, it comes in a different formulation. So it's a tomato glass skin. You guys, sa mga matagal dito sa channel ko, you guys have seen that I have done reviews on their tomato glass skin line. This has always been my favorite ever since. But this time it has their clear complex, just like the rest of the soothing gels. And it has hyaluronic acid and arbutin. What I really love about this one is that it has ingredients that actually help your skin stay hydrated and help you achieve that glass skin look. Check this out. It's a special edition BT21 Photocard. So are you guys ready for some fresh time? Let's get onto it. Let's make my face mukhang tao kasi I'm very crazy super ngarag.
So let's do some fresh time with Fresh COLLAB Special Edition BT21 products. These products are available in Watson stores and online.
my transformation. I know it's not as nice as it should be, pero bear with me. This is not a makeup channel or anything, and I'm really just a beginner sa makeup. So now I'm going to share my fresh impression on the products that I've used. So ito yung ginamit ko, yung Watermelon Youthful Bliss. Kasi parang na-attract ako first of all kasi pink siya. And then second of all, sobrang ano kasi yung face ko kanina, parang sobrang ewan ko, lolang lola, ngarag na ngarag. So naisip ko I should use this one kasi this one is known to really bring back the youthful glow in your face. And obviously naman, nakita nyo guys, I really love this one. It smells so good, pero hindi siya yung amoy na nakaka-take away sa enjoyment mo sa product. Kasi I really make a big deal sa mga amoy ng mga products, because if you guys have been here on my channel for a long time, you know that I do have allergies, and I will never put, you know, pampaganda over my allergy situation. So it's always best for me, it's always important for me that the products I use are safe for my skin and safe for my nose and my breathing stuff. So yeah, so this one super, it really smells like watermelon guys. Like I can seriously eat it dahil sa amoy niya. And it's so light yung smell niya, so it's not bothersome. And definitely, ang napansin ko, when I put it on my face, hindi siya yung malagkit. It absorbs on your face so quickly na hindi mo mana-notice na naglagay ka ng something. But at the same time, when you touch your face, right after using it, you can tell the difference talaga na meron talagang moisture na na-add sa face mo. Kasi diba, after we wash our face, it gets really firm and dry and stuff like that. Or let's just say moisturized dahil maganda yung ating facial wash. But still, when it dries up, parang wala ng moisture. But this one actually puts back the moisture, gives back that youthful glow, and it preps your face for whatever products you're gonna use afterwards. And I'm so happy kasi when I use this, it's just the first time. Really, hindi ako nag-patch test din. Walang bad reactions on my face. And even if I use it with the other product that I usually use, walang bad reactions. So that's really a plus for me. And of course, the Alcospray. I super love this one. No joke guys, I think ito na yata yung rubbing alcohol na gagamitin ko from now on. Even if these all runs out, bibili ako ng ganito. Kasi I've always been looking for an alcohol spray or alcohol, rubbing alcohol na alam niyo yung hindi nakaka-dry ng skin. It's always been my problem. We have always been looking for that right rubbing alcohol na we can use that will not require us to use lotion afterwards. Kasi especially when you're always spraying your hands and sobrang dry tapos you're outdoors and all that stuff. So parang nakakairita siya. But this one, hanggang ngayon guys, I'm almost at the end of this video, but it still feels moisturized on my hands. And hindi siya sticky at all, but at the same time, hindi siya dry. And it smells so good as well, pero hindi siya yung amoy na nakaka-overwhelm ng ilong. Which is another thing na I really love about it, and something I haven't seen before. My hair never settles. So that is it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed whatever you've seen. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and go check the description box because I have information on there. And you guys, I'll see you on my next one.